In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Jira issues from email. This process is particularly useful for streamlining the way you capture and manage tasks directly from your inbox, allowing your team to stay organized and efficient. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Atlassian website. This site hosts a range of collaboration tools for software, IT, and business teams, with Jira being one of its most popular platforms for project management. Once you're on the website, you'll see the Sign In option prominently displayed. Click on it and enter your credentials to log into your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to do so to proceed with the integration. With that done, the next step is to head over to the Jira homepage. This is your hub for all things Jira, where you manage and create new processes, including setting up email to issue conversions. Once you're at the homepage, look for your profile icon, typically located at the upper right corner of the screen, and click on it. From there, select Settings. When in the Settings menu, locate and click on Mail, a section where you can configure various email options. This is where you'll set up your email to Jira Issue Automation. Within this Mail section, select Incoming Mail. This is an important step as it redirects you to the inbound email settings. Next, you'll click on Mail Handlers. A mail handler processes incoming emails and converts them into Jira issues based on certain predefined rules. To establish a new handler, click on the option that says Add Incoming Mail Handler. This is your gateway to configuring new automation. When adding a new mail handler, you'll be prompted to name it and select a specific mail server from which your emails will be processed. Ensure that the server you choose is one that your team's emails consistently use to avoid any disruption in ticket creation. After choosing the server, configure your mail handler by specifying the rules that dictate which emails will be turned into Jira issues. Common criteria include specific keywords in a subject line or emails sent from particular team members. It's crucial to test the functionality before setting it into full motion. Send a trial email to ensure it correctly formulates a new Jira issue. After testing, your integration is ready to be fully operational, saving time and ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. By following these steps, you can efficiently configure Jira to automatically create issues from your emails. This setup aids in keeping your project management process seamless and efficient, no matter where your team is communicating from. With practice, you'll find that creating Jira issues from emails is not only easy, but an indispensable part of your workflow.